I'm gonna give one person who comments on this video an animation like the one you see on the screen right now so that you can use it in your own YouTube videos. To enter, just comment my YouTube goal this year is to, and then blank. Fill in the blank with whatever your goal is for this year, and I'll hit you up on Twitter or whatever you have linked on your YouTube channel. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here, and welcome back to a new video. It's been a minute since I've said that, but anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can make money on YouTube without having to show your face. A lot of people want to be YouTubers, but they just don't feel comfortable showing their face, or maybe they're just not ready to do that yet. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, but other than that, let's get into it. So the first one that I'm gonna talk about, just to get like the basic one out of the way, is of course going to be ad revenue. Everyone knows that once you get monetized, you'll start to make money on your videos whenever a viewer gets an ad before watching their video, or if they get an ad during your video. It's that simple. There's really not much more to it, and to get monetized, you just have to have 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year, and you just have to have 1,000 subscribers at any point in general. Also, why I'm even wearing a headset, I'm not even like listening to myself talk, so I can I can put this to the side. Actually, that looks kind of weird, but whatever, we'll go with it. Next up, we can talk about selling your product, and this is one of the easiest ways to make more money as a content creator, and the most common product that you see creators selling is just their merch. So this can be things like t-shirts, hoodies, hats, really whatever you can think of. And honestly, starting a merch store is actually incredibly easy. It doesn't really cost much money at all, so if you're a small YouTuber or just a content creator in general and want to know how, definitely let me know. I'd love to make a video going through like how to set up a store, putting your logo on t-shirts, hats, hoodies, and things like that, and then selling that. So if you want me to make a tutorial on that, definitely let me know. So I won't lie, merchandise is probably like one of the easiest ways to get started with when it comes to selling products, but as you get bigger, you can do so much more stuff. And an example of this is what KSI and Logan Paul just did recently. They came out with like an energy drink called Prime, and it's being sold in like Walmart's, grocery stores, and even just like their online store in general. Mr. Beast also just came out with a chocolate bar recently under the brand Feastables, which is like a snack brand. Even I myself, I have an animation store where I sell animations like these ones that you see on the screen right now for you to like just put in your videos, and they're like $5 or $10, but like whenever someone buys it, like I make some more money as well, and then like the creator can just put in their videos and they can use it as well too. But anyways, let's move on to the next one, and the next one that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. This is when you reach out to a brand and ask them for a discount code that you can share with your audience. Then every time a viewer of yours buys a product from that company that you reach out to, you get paid money from that company for every sale that you help them make. So I'm sure you guys have seen like your favorite YouTuber before like tweet out saying like, be sure to use my code on this website when you check out. They're saying it because you'll save some money buying the thing, and they'll make some money because they helped that company get another sale. I think that makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know, but that's basically what affiliate marketing is. And now the next one might be a bit tougher to do, but brand partnerships and sponsorships is probably one of the best ways to make money without showing your face on YouTube. The issue with this one though is it's a bit tougher to do when you're a smaller creator, but it's way easier to do when you're a larger creator. I'm sure you guys have watched YouTube videos before, and then like in the middle of the video, the YouTuber like thanks the company for sponsoring the video. And that essentially is called a brand integration, and brands are willing to pay hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, and even tens of thousands of dollars just for you to talk about a company for like 1 minute in a video. You can do it in the middle of a video, and a brand is willing to pay stupid amounts of money just so that you can do that. And now the next thing I want to talk about is paywall related things. So this can be things like a Patreon or a channel membership. And before you say like, I know no one's going to want to buy that for me, I've seen a lot of YouTubers who only have like 8,000 subscribers, 7,000, 5,000, whatever, and they're making a couple $1,000s a month off just their Patreon alone. And I promise you, like if you have a couple thousand people showing up to every single one of your videos, if you can pull a couple hundred people in a live stream or anything like that, even if you can pull like 50 people in a live stream, or if you have like an active Discord server or an active Instagram page or whatever, there's a pretty good chance that there's going to be some people who would be willing to pay like a couple bucks a month just to get some more extra content from you, whether it be like bloopers, behind the scenes footage, or even just you posting a video on a Patreon before you actually upload it on your channel. People are 100% always down to pay for stuff like that. So that's something you can definitely think of. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button below because there's more videos on the way soon. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.